What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and in today's video, we're going to be cleaning up a knife that I traded the Bowie that we just got done working on a few videos ago, and a couple other knives that I've made. I'll pop up pictures of all of them. I traded some knives off and got a forge so we can start forging some knives, and then ended up getting this one. This is a 1978 Case XX USA Folding Hunter. This one has I believe they're stainless blades. It's hard to tell. They seem patinaed, but they're not. I think that's all just grime on them. But it needs some cleaning up. It's pretty grimy, but it's got some history to it, so I'm happy with it. It's in good shape for how old it is. Got that lanyard hole on there. We'll be adding something to that. But yeah, let's get to cleaning this thing up. Alright, y'all. I'd say that cleaned up pretty good. It's not perfect. I wasn't expecting to get all of that off that blade. I got a good amount of it off there though. Got everything else shined up. The bolsters are shined up pretty good. That stuff's really down in there. But say it looks pretty good compared to how it was. It's got some of the snap back. It's not all gritty, opening and closing anymore. There we go. That was restoring a 1978 Case folding hunter. Let me know what you all think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're doing a big giveaway at 500 subscribers. When we get closer to that goal, I'll be announcing what we're giving away. We got a few different things. But yeah. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Peace.